So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi 10 Prime. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Redmi 10 Prime are Snapdragon 662, 6.53 inches Full HD Plus display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery, 22.5 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi 10 Prime. There are two storage variants of Redmi 10 Prime, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Redmi 10 Prime: blue color, black color and white color. This is the front side of Redmi 10 Prime. This is the back side of Redmi 10 Prime. The expected launch date of Redmi 10 Prime will be in the end of the December. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi 10 Prime should be below 10,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.